Hi, I'm Regina Narjes with 21st Century Equipment, and today we're going to show you how to set up your new S Series combine for soybean harvest. It is important to have your combine properly set before you begin harvest to maximize your combine's performance. We are going to start at the front of the combine with the feeder house and work our way around clockwise. Start on the right side of the feeder house to adjust the feeder house drum position. Using the black lever above the feeder house sprocket, adjust it into the downward position. The same adjustment will need to be done on the left side of the feeder house. To adjust the feeder house chain, the chain is in the 26-tooth sprocket position. Also be sure your tension sprockets are in the proper position. While harvesting soybeans, the feed accelerator speed needs to be in the low setting. Reference the belt diagram to be sure your feed accelerator speed is in the proper position. To do this, simply release the tension bar, place the belt on the big pulley, and lock the tension bar back into position. For those that are operating an S680 or an S690, make sure that the rethresher is in the corn position. Next, ensure that the crop diverter is in the small grain setting. Now moving to the left side of the combine, we will adjust the chopper speed. To adjust the chopper speed, you will need a knife or a screwdriver to release the clamp and open the cover. The chopper speed on the new S Series combine can be adjusted with a simple pull or push of a lever. For soybean harvest, the chopper speed needs to be in the high setting and the lever needs to be pulled all the way out. For windrowing applications, the chopper speed needs to be in the neutral setting or in the middle position. For soybean harvest, make sure that your knife bank engagement is engaged. Make sure that the rotor gearbox is in second gear. For soybean harvest, make sure that your separator grate spacers are in storage. It is important to switch out your concave for either the large wire or the round bar type when you are preparing your combine for soybean harvest. Now all the outside physical adjustments have been made to the new S Series combine. The following settings will be adjusted from the new command arm display and monitor system. Start by adjusting the threshing speed to 450 RPM with a touch of the threshing speed adjustment button. There is the option to use the soft key buttons on the touchscreen monitor or to use the turn dial on the command arm to adjust the RPMs. If the beans are not completely threshed, increase the rotor speed up to a maximum of 650 RPM. These settings can vary greatly depending upon the crop conditions. Now to adjust the concave clearance by using the threshing clearance adjustment button. Start out at 15 and adjust to a maximum of 30, making any final adjustments based upon the crop conditions. Use the cleaning fan speed adjustment button to set fan speed, starting out at 800 RPMs and adjusting up to a maximum of 1000 RPMs, making any further adjustments based upon the crop conditions. To adjust the chaffeur clearance and sieve clearance, there is one button on the command arm to adjust both. Press the button once to adjust your chaffeur clearance starting out at 14 and adjusting up to a maximum of 18. Press the button twice to adjust the sieve clearance, starting out at 14 and adjusting up to a maximum of 17, depending upon crop conditions. Make any final adjustments based on the quality of grain entering the bin. The final step to prepare for harvest is to calibrate the combine. In the combine screen, press the B button or press the button with the wrench on it. A list of calibrations will be shown in the drop-down box. Select the settings that you would like to calibrate and follow the on-screen instructions. Now the combine is all ready and set to go for harvest. For further information, refer to the owner's manual or contact your local 21st Century Equipment dealership. I'm Regina Narjes with 21st Century Equipment, where we are committed to making farming easier for you.